What snack can you not stop eating once it's open? Fucking anything, I'm a fat ass. Gardettos. What is that stupid tiny bag supposed to be, like for servings? No way. Those little stale, greasy bread chips are done for as soon as I rip that bad boy open. 2 words. Pirates. Booty. Kettle-cooked potato chips. Popcorn. Pistachios or cashews. Peanut MMS. Snyder's honey mustard and onion pretzel pieces. Cheetos. Smart Foods white cheddar popcorn. Pretty much any potato chips. I will absolutely demolish a bag of goldfish. Cheez-Its. Even though it makes me sick to my stomach. Those honey barbecue Frito twists. A sleeve of thin mint cookies. Eat the entire bag in one sitting and be sick for hours after. No willpower. Clarification: popcorners is fairly new to the market. They are shaped like Doritos but made from popcorn, kinda puffy and addictive. Popcorners Anonymous, coming in the future. Eats cheese balls in the tub. Fucks your mouth up worse than Captain Crunch but worth it. Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop. A watermelon. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Sun Chips, tortilla chips. Dried mangoes. Chips salsa. We get this mix of cheddar cheese and caramel popcorn from this fancy candy store. It never survives the night. Stroopwafel. Those cheesy munchies that are a mix of Doritos, Cheetos, pretzels, and cheddar Sun Chips. Do they still make those? Andy Capp's hot fries. Cool Ranch Doritos. Gardettos. When I was 10, my parents wouldn't let me eat them because they said it's an adult snack, which I didn't realize was a lie until I was about 19. Now it's some Freudian impulse that I devour them because I was denied them when I was younger. Honey mustard pretzels. Apparently watermelon chunks. I just housed a whole thing of them. Funyuns. Current obsession: Oreo Thins. Goldfish crackers. I stopped buying them from Costco because I would eat them instead of a meal. Dots pretzels. Pint of Ben and Jerry's ice cream. As soon as that seal is broken, the whole tub is a goner. Anything spicy. Chex Mix without a doubt. Chips and dip. Watermelon. Oreos and Pringles. Girl Scouts Thin Mints. Entenmann's glazed donut holes. I always avoid buying them BC. I will destroy a whole box within 36 hours. Salt vinegar potato chips with a chapstick chaser. Gardettos. Beef jerky. It's literal drugs. Fruit roll-ups. Corn nuts. Elf cookies. Peach rings. Peanut butter MMS. Haribo gummies. Trail mix. Chocolate chips. Ritz crackers. Nerd clusters. The Japanese grocery store by me has these shrimp-flavored bugle things and I love them. I'll eat peanut butter straight out the jar. Milano double dark chocolate cookies. Hot Cheetos. I'd rather die. I've never not finished a bag of hot Cheetos in one sitting. Doesn't matter how big. I must consume it all. Teriyaki beef jerky drooling face. Nutella. I steer clear of it at all times. Never even buy it as a treat because I can't trust myself around it. I'll spoon it up like ice cream and it's 100 calories TBSP. Once there was a small jar of it in a holiday gift basket someone sent me. I set it aside to give away. It was gone in 2 days. See no evil monkey. My wife. Butter and honey potato chips from the Korean grocery store like H Mart. Fruity Mentos. Homemade Chex Mix, with no nuts and double sauce. God, that stuff is delicious and satisfying. Wheat Thins. Once I get my hands on that box, 1 hour later, the box is empty. Mike and Ike's. Swiss Rolls. Magic Shell ice cream topping. I can't stop thinking about it if it's in the cabinet. Anything salty, cheesy or powerfully flavorful. Doritos, Takis, Cheez-Its of recent. Shredded cheese. I have to stop myself from getting those family-sized bags of the purple Doritos because I'll eat them even past being full. I cannot put them down. Spicy sweet chili. Phenomenal. A chip. Talenti layers. I've actually eaten not 1 but 2 pints in a day. Cherry tomatoes. Or the extreme pizza goldfish drooling face. Fresh blueberries. Crackers olive tapenade. Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies. I have no willpower. Oreos. Ranch flavored Doritos. When taco flavored Doritos were available they would have been my top choice. Chocolate pretzels. Jalapeno kettle chips, insanely dangerous in the home. New treat is Target's Good and Gather Himalayan salted dark chocolate almonds. I had to stay away from my pantry throughout the day. Chips, any and all chips. Those individual packs of Nori seaweed. I don't know why but I love them. Thank God they are low in calorie and don't have huge serving sizes. Mint. I eat one, I'll devour the entire package of them. Bag of Blue Diamond almonds. I eat the entire bag every fucking time. I cannot be trusted around cosmic brownies, any Hostess or Little Debbie snack. Any type of crisps, they'll do soggy so I have to finish them, especially salt and vinegar. Black Forest gummy bears. Chocolate orange. Popcorn. I went through an entire bag of Costco Skinny Pop in less than a week. Cheetos and Goldfish. Salt vinegar potato chips. Not a snack, but Nutella. I like eating that shit straight out of the jar. Also cereal, specifically Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Starbursts. Could eat a whole family size bag. I know I'm an old lady, but butterscotch candies. Cashews. Flaming hot munchies. Pretty much any Girl Scout cookie. Now those iced animal crackers are DABOM.